We are back at Tommy's shop to pick up Alex's R32 that is done. Should be sweet. Good, Alex. Hell yeah. The new rotors on it too. Sweet. It looks a lot better. Looks a lot better than the other wheels.
Auto, the switch doesn't do anything, it doesn't brighten it.
Okay. That's auto.
Oh wait, it is kind of, hold on.
The dash looks good.
Yeah, so now it's an auto. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it down just in case it's not.
I think it's sweet. I hear you talking about, yeah.
Here to like 110. Same feel for me. So this is on, the bottles are on.
This looks good.
Yeah, it touches. It's common. I put these clips in. If you ever need to remove this, you have to ruin those. You have to break them because you'll never get them out. But that keeps it from like going down the road and like flapping. Yeah, it touches a couple spots. The hood prop touches there. We put all the bumpers in. They're all good.
Looks fucking killer. Damn.
Yeah, we put the catch can in. Yeah. It's awesome. It's one of my favorite cars just because of how much we did. Even though it doesn't look like a lot, obviously we changed so much shit in here.
I feel like the wheels totally change it now. Though before I couldn't stand the 33 wheels on it.
I liked it on 33 wheels, but they were too soft.
Look too stock, like looks so
See, this is
so
the
good.
one where it rode the worst on the side.
Yeah, that's the one we just, so you can see it back there, and we repainted it so you'll be able to see if it does rub. It doesn't look like it will. It might rub down here. See where it's like silver?
Yeah.
You might have to smash that in and just hit it with some black spray paint just so you don't show some weird thing there. But
Didn't you put seatbelts in it too?
yeah, in the rear.
Cool.
Yeah, so that's literally if it touches it for half a second. But once you wear the like that'll go away quick. Yeah, rear seatbelts are all in.
Sweet.
Rear interior is all in. The only thing, you have a wiperless rear window, and good luck finding a wiperless thing.
Yeah, we talked that. I would probably just
Make your own or whatever.
take a piece of plywood with carpet or something.
But yeah, it's a HKS, whatever in the front. I think it sounds great.
Yeah, I don't like loud cars.
No, this is like the perfect. Like you can hear when you're coming, but it's not bad. Once you dial off some camber, you'll have some better feel. Pretty crazy the way they can talk at 275. It's fucking good. Radio delete's good. The shift knob, just like a stock shift knob, so nice. I honestly think the steering wheel is what you're gonna hate the most because it's so small. That's what gives it that like twitchy feeling. You go up to it. You like what?
I like twitchy. It's just maybe too twitchy.
Like
This
dart?
is like
You mean darty? Like you like it really?
It's darty.
So it needs alignment.
It needs alignment. I think it needs a bigger steering wheel. I think so tiny, like any little input, especially when you're trying to correct, it just.
Didn't you put that in there? You put that in there, right? Yeah.
And it's like falling apart too.
Yeah. The buck ones are pricey.
I have a leather one. I like that a lot.
You what? Oh, the leather. Same one.
330. Yeah.
So when you step back, like the tires are big, but it's a good look. I think it looks how it's supposed to.
Yeah,
it looks like tough, you know.
No, it's way more aggressive right now.
Well,
yeah.
When you go smaller, you have to lower it. You'll have to do some stuff if you do go to a 255, but it'll be so with a 255 because it doesn't rub on the outside anywhere right now with 275s. Hot rod sucks. The Bay's good, you know, everything's new and fresh.
Holy shit.
This is the intercooler we took from that car. Remember I told you I had like a little JB welded area, we didn't change it. Coils dial, like it's a couple days and it's in another car. Can't believe that's getting shocky already.
Huh.
Feel that. That's just the, we rubbed that with a piece of
So it's still in two-wheel drive, right? Feels good. Jesus Christ. Ooh, put rubber back there.
You made me get 275. I think I should have got 255.
Dude, it looks aggressive as fuck though, dude. It really does. It looks good. For real.
Maybe it needs to raise up a little bit.
Yeah, I would just raise it up. Yeah, exactly.
Adam has 255s.
Oh, really?
Feels like a very little lag.
Yeah.
This is a good spot to turn around.
Likes to veer.
Yeah.
Like the one way. Holy shit.
Especially with one hand on the steering wheel.
That's why I always put screw on there.
That's crazy.
It's not my thing to take all the stuff out of the trunks. And just clean it.
We put them back
Take it out.
in because
Yeah.
this was empty. There's no wheel, there's no mats, there's no seats.
These are the ones. These came in 35s, right?
What, the seats?
Sweet.
No, Juke R only.
Thing is good looking.
That's
Damn.
a good seat.
Thing's sick.
What do you mean?
Like the butt looks like it's up in the air.
Oh yeah, that's like, I don't know.
Adjust it like that, or it just like keeps you playing.
Yeah, it keeps you like back, keeps your legs bent. I love that wheel.
It smells brand new in there.
36,000 miles.
I had those damn sticky button issues on the dash.
They what?
Yeah, the sticky buttons.
Yeah, on the
Coating comes off.
IS300.
Wow, feels good. Way different. Before, veering, now it's perfect. Sweet. That was 7,000. Holy shit. Holy shit. Feels good. Cars back here from Tommy's. Sweet. Looks so good in here, even though you're missing some cars. Looks sick. The unit. So good. That looks good too, those wheels on it.